What's the meaning of convalesce? Convalesce. Convalesce.
Convalesce. Convalesce. Convalesce means to recover from an illness or injury, and regain one's health and strength. The process of convalescence is a gradual one, involving rest, proper nutrition, and sometimes medical treatment or therapy. During convalescence, the body repairs itself and builds up its immune system to prevent further illness. It is an important stage in the healing process, and can be crucial in determining how fully a person is able to recover. With proper care and attention, most people are able to fully convalesce from illnesses or injuries and return to their normal activities.